Dumbo, the most beautiful elephant in the world. The most expensive ice cream in the world cost $817 per scoop. Californium, the costliest metal in the world. The first ever meme in the world was created in 1921. Migraine, an allergic disease which is an incurable disease. Kyoka, the happiest animal on earth. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist named William Morrison. An average person takes only 7 minutes to fall asleep. Ozone hole is clearly visible in Antarctica during winter seasons. It took only 48 days to shoot the movie Deadpool. John D. Rockefeller was almost 3 times richer than Jeff Bezos. The inventor of Vaseline, Robert Cheesebro, ate a spoonful of the stuff every single day. Military cycle with spring wheels in early 1900s. Romeo and Juliet is not a love story. It is basically a 3-day relationship between 2 kids that caused 6 deaths. The President of Ireland always carries his dog along with him. According to psychology, most of us can sustain a high level of concentration for 10 minutes. Alexander the Great and Napoleon had the fear of cats. Facebook declared it will launch smart glasses in 2021 and they will be of Ray-Bans. Tom and Jerry has won 7 Academy Awards for animated short films. Goni typhoon hit Philippines, second typhoon attack in 2020 in Philippines. In a German village called Fugeri, the rent has not been raised since 1520. It costs just $1 to live entire year. Looks like something out of Star Wars, but it's city of Medina. The average Bentley customer owns 3 cars. Our body is weakest during 3 am to 4 am. This is the time most people die in the sleep. Snipper bullets can travel so far that the rotation of the earth will move the target and shooters have to adjust their aim accordingly. Meet Anne Hodges, the first known person to be directly hit by a meteorite. If you stop time, you won't be able to see anything because light photons will freeze too and they won't hit your retina. 1 teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh 6 billion tons. You can ask Siri how long you can be outside before your skin gets sunburned by asking for the UV index. Funky fossil footprints point to ancient crocodiles walking on 2 legs. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib to start world's cheapest medical center for the needy with MRI scan at 50. Cano Cristales, the river of 5 colors, is the most beautiful river in the world. The world's oldest surviving diving suit, the Old Gentleman from 1860. George Washington died in 1799 after doctors drained nearly 40% of his blood in an attempt to cure a sore throat. Thanks for watching.